Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on free AI tools and websites. Today, we're diving into an awesome tool that transforms your data into stunning animated charts with just a few clicks. Whether you're a student, business owner, or content creator, this is perfect for making your data pop on social media or presentations. Let's check out what it can do. Here's why this tool is a game changer. Create stunning animated charts. Turn your spreadsheets into eye-catching bar chart races, column charts, or bubble charts that visualize data changes over time. Perfect for showing trends or comparisons. Super easy to use. No coding needed. Just upload your data, pick a chart type, and watch the AI animate it automatically. It's beginner-friendly and works right in your browser. Customize everything. Add labels, titles, colors, and fonts to make your charts look professional and match your style. You can tweak animations to keep viewers hooked. Export and share with ease. Save your animated chart as an MP4 video, image series, or embedded code to share on YouTube, websites, or presentations. Cloud-based and free to start. Your projects are saved online so you can access them anywhere. Plus, there's a free forever plan to get you started without spending a dime. Ready for the big reveal? This incredible tool is livingcharts.com. Head to their website, try the free plan, and start visualizing your data today. Want a full tutorial on this tool? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more free AI tools. See you next time.